I had attended so many rock concerts, and the flavor of our rag is maintained throughout, which is not at all seen in Western classical music. Western classical music touches here, and Indian classical music touches here. This is a big difference. When I play rag Madhuvanti, that flavor is maintained throughout, whether it is a slow tempo or it's a fast tempo. This is the only music in the world I have seen that we have time bound act, like morning ragas, afternoon ragas, sunset ragas, early evening, late evening, early night, late night, midnight, post midnight, early dawn, every after 3 hours. As the prahar changes, this is they are all designed according to biological clock by our Rishi Munis, we would say. So this is, at least in my all 25 concerts, 8 concerts in mental hospital Thana, I had seen the patients are not interested to go for lunch, and they were asked that, "Arey program khatam ho gaya, abhi jao." So they were allowed to interact with me. I was on stage, and they used to tell me that, "You think that are we mad? Our parents or in-laws, they have put us in this asylum." And it was a very interesting kind of little pathetic also for me to see this. I had been to mental hospital for my own work. I am a manufacturer of Ayurvedic medicines, so I was knowing the atmosphere of the hospital. But with music, there was a different kind of a charm among patients. They used to ask me some questions, and they used to tell that we want to learn music. When we were in schools, we had learned harmonium. Some said we learned tabla, and we want to pursue. God will give you more strength and all bliss. You have come all the way to our institute. I had read in Reader's Digest some years back that rock concerts are arranged in mental hospital as a therapy. So that I started visiting all faculties, deans of hospitals, and as you said that you have seen that this is a very difficult task to do R&D like medicine. There's so many things, you need funds and so many things, factors. Now the thing is, this is a whole story right from 2002. Two important things which I would like to say is, in biophysics department of Bombay University campus, Kalina, we made 40 students EEG. Those students were doing MSc part 1 and part 2. And they have installed a machine from Australia which is called as EEG machine. Every one student or maximum 2 students, they were tried. They were made to sleep on the bed. EEG was taken, that mean was there. Then my CD was put on headphone so that no outer disturbance is required, means it will disturb them, and EEG was taken. And they could see that, they could study that those alpha and beta levels, there is a change, and because of soothing effect and both rock effect. This is the part 1. Part 2 is recently, 2 days back only, I had been to Juhu, Sangvi Engineering College, and they all are interested to tie up with any hospital for flow of patients. I had visited Biomedical Engineering College department. She said, on 5th floor, this is our BTech B, and we have ME students. Those who are interested in telecommunication, they are working on telecommunication, and they are expert in studying signals, sound signals. She said, if you can make a arrangement with Sion Hospital. Immediately I phoned to head of the department. He said, it's wonderful. Next week appointment is going to be in Sion Hospital, and real documentation, what we would say, will start. If I tell you, you will be surprised that there are so many yoga papers in US, but not a single paper is proved to be authentic. Means it is because they have not used international parameters. When you do yoga, there is a video in your house. It is provided by the institute. If you press a button, there is a date and timing. They can find out whether you have done yoga or not. I visited a sleep center in Mulund. They are all NRIs, both are NRIs, husband wife. They have been given 3 lakhs of rupees by one yoga institute. It can be absorbed through skull, can be also studied, and skin. So this is my journey up to this, and now the thing is, what I feel is, we don't want to go to US and ask them to do work on our Indian classical music. Naturally, the patent rights will be taken over by US people, and then we should not cry after that no, this is, neem is ours, turmeric is ours, like rice, basmati is ours. So slowly people are interested now to join, and it's a mission, and it's not a selfish mission. It is for the society. Anxiety, depression, that's rampant in the society. Whether you to go to college, after marriage, divorces, there's so many financial problems. It is bound to be there. Stress is increasing, and music, as stated by one psychiatrist, that brain function is not known fully. Your music might do wonders, so have documentation. So this is my whole story, and if you want to ask now any questions, you can ask me. Because this is my 8th lecture now, 8th or 10th in help. I came in 2006, that was my first one. And invariably in all my programs, we used to sit down with beautiful mattresses, a lot of crowd people, they used to attend and enjoy music. Even I am surprised that even in Nehru Center, there are no audience, no people are there. People, they love everything, they love music, they respect, but they don't have time. Unfortunate part of this. 10 years back, mobile.
Not that they are not fond of it.
Yes, fond of things.
But nowadays it comes very
Handy to it, easy.
Electronic media is very powerful now, very effective.
Yes.
To take very major role in this for communication as well as entertainment. Each and every field.
Correct.
So that is why people are not that much aware that. So
Aware of
this
it.
is very important.
Correct.
Industry it was totally depends upon the radio. Now it is totally changed. Round the clock is getting the service. So anytime you feeling uneasy, you can just flush it.
Correct.
Entertain yourself.
Yes, indeed. I had seen a case, established schizophrenia case in Masina Hospital when Dr. Macheswala, he arranged my concert for drug addict patients. I remember that was 25th of December, Christmas Day. One lady, she was so upset, she is not interested to sit at one place, and when I started, she sat down for 40 minutes. And I was really, I did not understand what my music reached to her and how she sat down. Dr. Macheswala came after that running to us. Oh, you have a magic in your hand, how you made my patient to sit at one place for 40 minutes. So this is music. it is a harmony melody that works. And normally in listening music, creativity is enhanced, memory is enhanced. Those studies people are doing in US on Western classical music with functional MRI studies, PET scan, and so many things. Now at least we can do some studies where we don't need right now functional MRI studies, but we can have two groups, one with conventional medicine and second group with added music. It is a simple study, which is the international study in psychiatry, and you can find out whether number of sleep hours are increased, stress is relieved, anxiety is, it is score related, rating. Hamilton's rating scale is known for anxiety, and probably it will work.
The unfortunate thing, actually, doctors are not
Coming
They
for
are busy in
their own
schedule.
schedules.
They are busy.
Yes.
Can do wonders. I mean,
Yes,
there are
yes.
various types. One
Type.
is the
Vocal,
one is
instrumental.
instrumental,
Yes, yes.
and there is the Keltaran.
Yes,
Lots of
yes, yes,
things
yes, yes.
that definitely affects your
Yes, yes. In 2004, when I performed in KIM Hospital auditorium, there were 50 professors, and in vote of thanks, the HOD psychiatry said, "This is we can do really good for patients." And then that time I thought that probably my journey will start very soon, but I don't know. They said no, we are installing some advanced EEG machine. Right now we don't have, municipality doesn't have funds, and so many excuses. So the enthusiasm goes down. And see here, I remember 35, 40 people
Nowadays, it's shifting mode.
shifting mode.
Restrictions is there mostly. Once
Like it
in
affected
a 3
the
lectures once.
rate.
I see.
Shifting mode.
Good. In Nehru Center, we used to stand sometimes. It was overcrowded auditorium. It's raining outside, and Megh Mallar is the name of the festival. Rag Mallar is played. Mallar ke prakar. Mia Mallar, God Mallar, Megh Mallar. Now you can simply enter. Doorkeepers, they don't ask you any ticket. Jao. So anyway, now we have changed the, yes,
Awareness is
coming. So we have changed the track. I had been to so many corporates. Now they should understand. I have given 10 concerts in Union Bank, 5 concerts in Central Bank of India, Reserve Bank, many things. In fact, we had submitted feedback forms in Union Bank. They have a beautiful auditorium on 8th floor, that they have their own building next to L&T, Powai. We asked the officers, managers to sit in yoga, mudra, close their eyes, only absorb vibrations, and just forget whole day's stress. And when the feedback forms were noted down, I was surprised that 97% was the success rate. And only 3-4 questions, whether it was soothing, did it change your mood, would you like to hear it again? Okay.